So in this video, I'm going to be talking about something new that Facebook just recently launched, and I'm going to explain what it is and why it can actually get you way better results for your Facebook ads. What they just launched is what's called info labels. And info labels is basically just some labels that you can put on your ads. So I'll show you an example. This is one of our clients' ads, and this is what it looks like once the ad appears in your Facebook feed. For this ad, we had free returns and free delivery, and we added those info labels into the ad. And as you can see, the ad looks more appealing. It communicates more value points. So who is info labels for? So info labels can only be used for traffic and conversion campaigns. So those are, for us, that is mostly what we're running. We're mostly just running conversion campaigns anyway. But it's good to know that that's the only type of campaign that you can use it for. So how you do it, I'll show you now exactly how you can set this up. So once you go into the ad level, so I'm just showing you an example here of one of our clients. Go into the ad level, scroll down, and then you will see under the call to action button, edit info labels. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So the first thing you can add is from your Facebook page and profile, and also Instagram profile. This is very good because it gives a lot of cool stuff to the ad. If you have a lot of page likes, that is social proof, which you can actually add in as an info label to the Facebook ad. So as you can see in the example here, this is page likes. And what's also really cool, if you have a physical location, you can actually show the store location as info labels as well. And there's many more cool ways you can do this: messenger response time, recent page check-ins, a lot of cool stuff that can give you social proof, give information about where your store is located, and you're just communicating different stuff for your business in the ads more effectively. Because if you were to add this information as in the ad copy, it would be harder for people to, they have to click in, read it. It's not as easy to consume the information. But what's also really cool is now you have custom info labels. And this is very important if you do an e-commerce or if you do any type of conversion campaigns. So as you can see here, we've added in free shipping, and we also added the info label for the return policy. Now this is very important because these are two of the biggest concerns when people want to do business with you. Do you have free shipping? No one likes to pay for shipping. So if you have free shipping, that's a very big value point and a selling point that you should add in the ads. So another thing that is a big concern is return policy, especially if you're doing any type of clothing or if you do any type of e-commerce products that people aren't really familiar with. If there's different sizing and they might be unsure if the product will fit, then the return policy is very important to communicate, because if they don't know about it, it will be a concern that's underlying and will keep them from actually go ahead and make a purchase. So when shopping online, return policy is very important. So that's also something you can add in here. Now you can actually add more info labels. And one thing that I do recommend to put in here is payment options. Now, as you can see here, you can add multiple different payment options if you have them. So definitely go ahead and put them in. This is very important because when people shop online, they want to use the payment method that they are comfortable with. And if they don't know if you have that available, it's an extra little friction point for why they might not click into your ad and make a purchase right away. So include as much info labels as possible and let Facebook use them freely, test them out for you, and basically just give you better results. Now, if you want to learn more about Facebook ads and get tips and updates like this, I highly recommend to join my Facebook group. The Facebook group is called Growth Hacking for E-commerce, Ads and Data-Driven Strategies. If you're doing any type, if you're an agency owner, e-commerce owner, if you're a marketer or any type of growth hacker, right, I highly recommend go down in the description below, click the link and join our Facebook group. Right now we open for everyone. We only have 86 members, but once we hit the 100, we will keep it private and only let in a few people. to make sure that we don't get like people that don't engage in the group and etc. So go ahead, go in the description, join this group if you want to learn more. I also run an agency. If you want to work with us or see if we would be a good fit for a partnership, we're actually taking on 2 more clients in this quarter. So hit the link down in the description and then you can book a free 20-minute strategy session with me where we go through your ads. I help you, give you strategies, and it's all for free. So I highly recommend go ahead and book that strategy call if you're interested in working with us. So I wish you a great day and I hope this video was valuable.